Sanibonani, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. Mrs Mthombeni oshade noMusa Mthombeni owaduma ku-UTV, who's a child star, and then aphinda abe udokotela. Usanda graduate again uMusa say radiocologist radio kodwa i-radio udokotela we-radio yeah, radiologist. So kube nama-pictures ke akhe nonkosikazi wakhe ke. Obviously uLizelle, we know her, she's a former Miss South Africa, and yeah, that's what she is. She's a beauty queen. So bashadile ke benoMusa ke, they've been all over the world going to holidays, having fun and all of that, and they love each other. And uMusa udumile ngokuthi uyayithanda umuntu wakhe, uyamthanda unkosikazi wakhe. So now the pictures of them are trending because of the graduation. These are the pictures that are trending. So everybody has been saying, oh no, Musa has scored, Musa is pregnant. Oh girl, wakijima waya ku Instagram wazobhala a long ngxoxo telling you guys to leave her womb alone first of all. Whether omit or not. However, she did emphasize the fact that she is not pregnant. So you guys must leave the wombs alone. Like guys, but me, when it comes to the celebrities, I don't trust them. Face it about me. Basitshele bazokhala labathi abekho mithi basidiscipline only to find out they are pregnant. I don't know, maybe I don't understand. If somebody says you are pregnant, what is wrong with that? Abo lona maseko banza kanjena kanti umuntu they were pregnant, abo andathabe benzaga so, and they were pregnant. I think there's nothing wrong. Because at the end of the day, a person who's saying you are pregnant is strange. It's not your family, it's not your friend. So why even worry, Lizelle? But anyway, different strokes, different folks for different strokes, different folks for strokes for different whatever. That's what matters. In the meantime, please make sure that Lizelle meet. So batsabange yo uMusa usekudoktor umntana ofugele khuluma so we do not know. Please subscribe, leave a comment and share. And for now, here's the video.
So I actually cannot believe that I have to sit in my car and do this and educate people. Leave my womb alone. Leave other women's wombs alone. If you are a man and you don't have your own womb, I don't know, find out from science or any other research places if you are able to grow your own and then create your own baby and then watch your baby grow in your own stomach and leave other women's wombs alone. If you are a woman who keeps commenting rubbish on my post and saying she's pregnant, she's this, she's that, whether I am or not, and just to be clear, I am not. I just feel like you guys want to be seen, right? And this culture of wanting to be first to out someone for whatever it is, whether it is they're in a new relationship, whether it is that they are expecting, whether it is that they've lost a job or whatever it is, this culture of wanting to be seen and wanting to out people and be first, you guys need to stop it. When women are ready to tell you whether or not they want to procreate or whether or not they are pregnant or whether or not they will be expecting, they will do so within their time. You guys are honestly and truly starting to piss me off. And I'm not someone who goes around cussing and losing her mind and any of those things. I love to live a clean life, a drama-free life, a chilled life. But I am really tired of this happening on my posts and on other women's posts. I've seen other doctors go about it on their page saying, please stop commenting, please stop watching my womb, please stop monitoring my womb, and you guys still go ahead and do it. The person who I'm going to tag in this video, this person on their feed says they're a doctor. If you are indeed a doctor and you are commenting about the fact that I might or might not be pregnant, and this is your time to shine, please do better. Like, honestly, leave women alone. Leave me alone. I'm actually not even putting an umbrella on it anymore. Leave me alone and stop bullying me and saying specific things about me that I have not released. If I have gained weight, which I know I have, that's fine. I've gained weight because I'm happy and I have money. Okay, but what you're not going to do is mess around and play around with my womb and my autonomy and anything else that already is difficult enough as is because of being a woman, and you want to add to that. So yes, I've gained a couple of kilos. I'm also 33 years old, and I do not wish to be weighing 48 kilograms like I was in my 20s. Okay, so stop it. Stop this nonsense. And I'm going to add hopefully I can put a swipe through of all the people that have commented nonsense over the past weekend that I managed to screen grab before they got too shy and then deleted their comments. I screen grab them. You are blocked on my page. You will be blocked on my husband's page. And I will even go as so far as to block you on Cashew's page. You are not welcome in our family, in our space, because you have no respect and you actually don't know how to just handle social media. Think before you type. And another thing is, if you don't have anything nice to say, and no, calling out someone for being pregnant is not something nice to say. That is not something nice to say. You look beautiful. You look pretty. I like your hair. I like your makeup. That is nice to say. If you think someone's gained weight, shut up about it. If you think someone's pregnant, shut up about it. That's that. And I'm done on this topic. I am absolutely done, and I'm sick and tired of it. Thank you.